For a stylish modern getaway in the heart of the Costa del Sol, Occidental Fuengirola is a fantastic choice. Located right on the seafront promenade, this hotel offers stunning sea views, upscale amenities, and a relaxed yet sophisticated atmosphere. The elegant rooms are bright and contemporary, many featuring private balconies overlooking the Mediterranean, making it the perfect place to wake up to the sound of the waves. The pool area is a highlight, with a large outdoor pool and plenty of sun loungers, offering a great spot to unwind. And with Fuengirola Beach just steps away, you're never far from the soft sands and crystal clear waters. Dining is exceptional, with a buffet restaurant serving fresh Mediterranean and international cuisine, plus a trendy a la carte option and stylish bars for cocktails with a view. For those looking to stay active, there's a fitness centre, while those seeking relaxation can enjoy the spacious sun terraces and laid-back beachfront vibe. With Fuengirola's shops, restaurants and nightlife right on your doorstep, Occidental Fuengirola is a top choice for a chic, sun-soaked holiday on the Costa del Sol.